Hey guys, welcome to my channel. In this video, I will share with you how I make this delicious, moist and rich cherry chocolate cake. So for this cake, I use flour, baking soda, sugar, baking powder, cocoa powder, milk, eggs, butter, cherries, and we'll also be using water. Break the eggs in a bowl and add melted butter, add milk, add vanilla extract, give it a whisk and set it aside. In a different bowl, combine flour, cocoa powder, sugar, baking soda, and baking powder and mix it. Combine the wet and dry ingredients. Add cherries and gently fold them in the batter. And our final step is to add hot water. Mix it. And yes, it is very, very watery, but that is exactly the consistency we are going for. Pour the batter into a well-greased pan and bake it in a preheated oven of 175 Celsius for about 55 to 60 minutes. In the meantime, I'm going to make my chocolate frosting by melting chocolate chips, butter, and powdered sugar over a pot with boiling water. Make sure to put the ingredients in a heat-proof glass or metal bowl and be careful to not burn your hands as the bowl will get very, very hot. So the cake is done, it is out of the oven, and I decided to cut it in two and apply a layer of cherry jam, but this is totally optional and you do not have to do this. So here I am applying the chocolate frosting. Make sure to cover the cake and allow it to sit for at least 2 hours before cutting the cake. And there you have it. I hope you guys liked this video. If you did, make sure to give it a thumbs up and subscribe for weekly recipe videos. Thanks for watching, guys.